Okay, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we're gonna go in and finish making the coin base pickup and also add in the scene transition for our game. So first, let's go in here to our sprite, our coin, and click on sprite. And we're gonna copy parameters and we're gonna do a new inherited scene and select the base pickup. With this, we're gonna rename this to coin. Select sprite and select this wrench icon again and click paste parameters. You zoom in, you'll see it copies the parameters over. We're going to do that for the light next. Copy those over. Let's paste these in. Do that the same thing for the collision shape. And paste that in here. And last but not least, we're going to go to an animation player. Take the animation in and click copy. Go to here, paste it in, set autoplay on load, and let's go back. Final animation, I'm going to go and pick the pickup button, click copy, and select paste. And one thing we have to do, I don't know why it always does this, got to go in, fix the scaling. There we go, and we're going to name this coin 2 for now. We'll rename this after we confirm there's no problems with it. And let's go back and set this as well. There we go. And last but not least, there's one more change we have to do. In the on pickup body, we need to change this from lowercase to uppercase. That's the only change we have to make. And that should be good. Let's go in and create a level. Add this to a level. So let's go in here. Let's go in here and instance the coin 2. Drag and drop this into the level and let's play. And let's check. It seems to work properly. And let's check here. We have animation random disabled. We can enable that later to test it, but for now we'll leave it as is. We also need to make sure, actually I forgot I added this change as well, making sure that body name is equal to player. This is just for now. We're gonna go in later and add the collision layers, so we don't need to check specifically for the player, because there might be some pickup objects where we want to make sure enemies can pick it up as well, maybe like a power up for enemies, or like item that you need to protect, and if the enemies pick it up, you'll lose. So now with that out of the way, let's go in and add in the nodes we need. So what we first need is a tween. Then what we're going to need next is we're going to need a new 2D. This is going to be the container that holds our transition. And last but not least, we're going to add a color rect. And last but not least, to go into project settings and search window and set it to window 320 by 180. And let's go to the visibility section and modulate it to an alpha of 0 and set it all the way to black. Now with that, let's go into our game and we're gonna add in some lines. We're gonna add in .show. Also, we need to make sure to hide this. And now we're gonna call var transition. Let's just call it. I don't feel like spelling. I'm just going to say vartran. And we're going to say container color rect. And we're going to say tween dot interlate property. And we're going to take that, modulate alpha. We're going to take this dot modulate dot a, change it to 1, check the add the fade timer, and then we're going to use the tween to trans cubic and tween dot ease out. Next, what we're going to do is tween, let's start, and then we're going to yield until tween is completed. So that's the first part we need. This will start up the fade out, and now we need to add in the fade in. So what we're going to do is go down here to the add child section here, and we're going to add in now the tween dot interpolate method, or no, interpolate property. Call that modulate a and I'm gonna call modulate dot a and set it to 0 this time. Fade time, and we're gonna do tween trans cubic, and then we're gonna do tween dot ease in this time instead of out. Tween start. Yeah, that looks good. And then we're gonna go in the same thing again, yield until this is complete. Completed. And we're gonna then say dot hide. And now I believe that's everything we need. So now if we play, you can see that we have the fade animation. And wait, why is that not working? Let me check again. Did I mess something up? Did I misspell modulate? No. Let me see. That doesn't seem to be working properly. Print test. Is this working? Test. That seems to be working. But let's check here. What's happening here? Print test 2. Seems to be working, but is it interlay property that modulate a that 0 3 time trans cubic trace. Let's in tween start yield till it's completed, hide it. Actually, wait a minute, I gotta check something. I think maybe I have to change the Z index. Let's change it to like 2. There we go. Okay. So yeah, that's what I forgot to change. I forgot to go in and update the Z index for our game. So with that out of the way, that's gonna be it for this video. Let me pull up first changes I made. I decided to have a separate window. So now if we play on this one, you can see now we have a base enemy here, which just goes right now back and forth and is killable. And also we've added a door here. That's all that's really been done. And I wanted to ask you guys in the comments if there's any specific features you want me to develop or anything like that. And I've been thinking about possibly making my own little game that I might publish on like itch.io or something. So look out for that. I'm gonna try working on it and having something by next week. If not, might work on it on the week after because I'm gonna have a little bit of a break from work. So with that out of the way, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.